Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 50 protein and its metabolism MCQ in biochemistry. First 50 questions are already discussed in the videos that links is provided in description. If you found this video is helpful for you, you please like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos. 51 question is the hydrogen bonds between peptide linkage of a protein molecules are interfered by. The hydrogen bond between peptide linkage of protein molecules are interfered by guanidine. Option A is right. Guanidine. Option A is right. 52 is globular protein have completely folded coiled polypeptide chain and the axial ratio, the ratio of length to growth is. The globular protein have completely folded coiled polypeptide chain and the axial ratio is less than 10 and generally not greater than 3 to 4. Option A is right. Less than 10 and generally not greater than 3 to 4. 53 is fibrous protein have axial ratio. Fibrous protein have axial ratio greater than 10. Option D is right. Greater than 10. 54 is each turn of alpha helix contain the amino acid residues. Each turn of alpha helix contain the amino acid residues is 3.6. Option A is right. 55 is distance traveled per turn of alpha helix in nm is. Distance traveled per turn of alpha helix in nanometer is 0.54. Option B is right. 56 is along the alpha helix each amino acid residues advance in nm by. Along the alpha helix each amino acid residue advance in nm by 0.15. Option A is at 0.15 nanometer. 57 is the number of helix present in a collagen molecule is. The number of helix present in a collagen molecule is 3. Option C is right. 58 is in protein the alpha helix and beta pleated sheet are example of. In protein alpha helix and beta pleated sheet are example of secondary structure. Option B is right. Secondary structure. 59 is the alpha helix of protein is. The alpha helix of protein is a non-periodic structure. Option C is right. A non-periodic structure. 60 is at the lowest energy level alpha helix of polypeptide chain is stabilized. At lower at the lowest energy level alpha helix of polypeptide chain is stabilized by hydrogen bond formed between the H of peptides and the carbonyl O of the residue. Option A is right. By hydrogen bond formed between the H of peptide and the carbonyl O of the residue. 61 question is both alpha helix and beta pleated sheet conformation of protein were proposed by. Both alpha helix and beta pleated sheet conformation of protein were proposed by Pauling and Corey. Option B is right. Pauling and Corey. 62 question is the primary structure of Fabrion, the principal protein of silkworm fibers, consists almost entirely of the primary structure of Fabrion. The principal protein of silkworm fibers consists almost entirely of glycine. Option A is right. Glycine. 63 is tertiary structure of a protein describe. Tertiary structure of a protein describe the way of protein folding. Option D is right. The way of protein folding. 64 question is in a protein molecule the disulfide bond is non-broken by. In a protein molecule the disulfide bond is not broken by denaturation. Option C is right. Denaturation. 65 question is the technique for purification of proteins that can be made specific for a given protein is the technique for purification of protein that can be made specific for a given protein is affinity chromatography. Option D is right. Affinity chromatography. 66 is denaturation of protein results in denaturation of proteins results in destruction of hydrogen bonds. Option C is right. Destruction of hydrogen bonds. 67 question is ceruloplasmin is alpha 1 globulin. Option A is right. Alpha 1 globulin. 68 is the lipoprotein with the fastest electrophoretic mobility and the lowest triglyceride content is HDL. Option D is right. HDL. 69 is the lipoprotein associated with activity of LCAT. LCAT is the lipoprotein associated with activation of LCAT is option A is right. HDL. 70 question is the apolipoprotein which act as activator of LCAT is the apolipoprotein which acts as activator of LCAT is A1. Option A is right. 71 question is the apolipoprotein which acts as activator of extrahepatic lipoprotein is ApoC. The apolipoprotein which acts as activator of extrahepatic lipoprotein is ApoC. Option C is right. 72 is the apolipoprotein which forms the integral component of chylomicron is the apolipoprotein which form the integral component of chylomicron is B48. Option B is right. B48. 73 is the apolipoprotein which form the integral component of BLDL is the apolipoprotein which form the integral component of BLDL is V100. Option A is right. 74 is the apolipoprotein which acts as ligand for LDL receptor is the apolipoprotein which acts as ligand for LDL receptor is B100. Option B is right. 75 is serum LDL has been found to be increased in serum LDL has been found to be increased in obstructive jaundice. Option A is right. Obstructive jaundice. Option A is right. 76 is a lipoprotein associated with high incidence of coronary atherosclerosis is the a lipoprotein associated with a high incidence of coronary atherosclerosis is LDL. Option A is right. LDL. 77 is a lipoprotein inversely related to the incidence of coronary atherosclerosis is a lipoprotein inversely related to the incidence of coronary atherosclerosis is HDL. Option D is right. HDL. 78 is the primary biochemical lesion in homozygote with familial hypercholesterolemia type. Second A is the primary biochemical lesion in homozygote with familial hypercholesterolemia is functional deficiency of plasma membrane receptor for LDL. Option D is that functional deficiency of plasma membrane receptor for LDL. Option D is right. 79 is in abetalipoproteinemia, the biochemical defect is in abetalipoproteinemia, the biochemical defect is in ApoB synthesis. Option A is right. ApoB synthesis. 80 is familial hypertrichylglycerolemia is associated with overproduction of BLDL. Option A is right. Overproduction of BLDL. 81 is for synthesis of prostaglandins, the essential fatty acid gives rise to a fatty acid containing. For synthesis of prostaglandins, the essential fatty acid gives rise to a fatty acid containing 20 carbon atoms. Option C is right. 20 carbon atoms. 82 is all active prostaglandins have at least one double bond between position. All active prostaglandins have at least one double bond between positions. Option A is right, 7 and 8. Option A is right. Question number 83 is normal range of plasma total phospholipid is 1.8 to 5.8 mmol per liter. Mmol per liter. 84 is HDL2 have the density in the range of HDL2 have the density in the range of 1.063 to 1.125. Option D is right. 1.063 to 1.125. Option D is right. 85 is beta lipoproteins have the density in the range of 1.019 to 1.063. Option C is right. 86 is ideal have the density in the range of 1.006 to 1.019. Option B is right. 87 is aspirin inhibits the activity of the enzymes. Aspirin inhibits the activity of the enzymes sialooxygenase. Option B is right. Sialooxygenase. 88 is a suicide enzyme is sialooxygenase. Option A is right. Sialooxygenase. 89 is in adipose tissue prostaglandins decreases. In adipose tissue prostaglandins decreases lipogenesis. Option A is right. Lipogenesis. Option A is right. 90 is the optimal pH for the enzyme pepsin is. The optimal pH for the enzyme pepsin is 1 to 2. Option A is right. 1.0 to 2.0. 91 is pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is converted to active pepsin. Why? Pepsinogen is converted to active pepsin by HCl. Option A is right. 92 is the optimal pH for the enzyme rennin is. The optimal pH for the enzyme rennin is 4.0. Option B is right. 93 is the optimal pH for the enzyme trypsin is. The pH for the enzyme trypsin is 5.2 to 6.2. Option C is right. 5.2 to 6.2. 94 is the optimal pH for the enzyme chymotrypsin is. The pH for the enzyme chymotrypsin is 8.0. Option D is right. 95 is tryp trypsinogen is converted to active trypsin by trypsogen is converted to active trypsin by introkinase. Option A is right. Introkinase. 96 is pepsin act on denatured protein to produce proteoses and peptones. Option A is right. Proteoses and peptones. 97 is rennin converts casein to paracasein in presence of. Rennin converts casein to paracasein in presence of Ca++. Option A is right. Ca++. 98 is an expopeptidase. Expopeptidase is an expopeptidase is elastase. Option D is right. Elastase. 99 is the enzyme trypsin is specific for peptide bond of. The enzyme trypsin is specific for peptide bond of basic amino acids. Option A is right. Basic amino acids. 100 question is the last question of this video. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Question is chymotrypsin is specific for peptide bond containing uncharged amino acid residues. Option A is right. Thank you for watching.